Hi guys, I'm Minyo.
Hey, I'm Mikaila, what's up?
So we are at Summer Beauty House at Jalan Bumi number 20.
And we're gonna give you a house tour of Summer Beauty House as well as Gush Cloud office and as well as Dutch Cafe. How cool is that?
Yeah, so let's go inside. Let's go. Hi guys, so welcome to Dutch Cafe. So this is the place where you get salads, sandwiches, wraps, cakes, juice and everything, a lot.
I know, exactly. So, no cheat day!
Alright, we are now at my favorite part of the house.
Yes, so it's lemonade. This is the room lemonade that is for Summer Beauty House.
All of this room in Summer Beauty House are created after a popular song by Bold Beautiful Woman. How cute is that?
I know, isn't it? By Beyonce, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
So basically, this is a very intimate space for beauty bloggers and beauty creators to come here and to get hands-on and work with people and get free stuff. That's what I love. We get lots of free stuff. And of course, you get a really cute unicorn certificate. So this is certificate here. Stick it on. Oh, that is.
And for you girls out there who are curious on how to do makeup, you can come here to Summer Beauty House and learn how to do makeup by professionals.
Not only that, you guys also get to learn from like beauty influencer and beauty bloggers that you love and that you are like so into. And Summer Beauty House is willing to bring them here and you get to meet and greet with them, as well as finding tips and tricks from them as well. Because you know, you have lots of secrets as well, right? We would want to know her secrets.
Yeah,
that's the whole point.
So yes, everything you need to be an aspiring beauty influencer are here in the Summer Beauty House. So there is also Royals, which is this room. So every beauty bloggers or aspiring beauty influencers could get access to everything, equipment.
So you want to check out these lightings. These lightings are so cool, they're so professional, and they're so proper because these are from Cathie stuff. So people want to shoot here, definitely will get really good lighting.
And we also have Polytron TVs where we can show you guys content created in this house and yeah, by beauty creators such as you. And there's also Polytron Active Speaker Pro so we can play the house music.
We also have seasonal backdrops as well. As you can see, there will be changed timely by Summer in-house creative team.
Yes, and also if you need any advice and help in video editing and video taking, there is also a team of videographers and photographers are here to help you guys.
For gear, Summer Beauty House has Sony cameras where they're basically mirrorless and compact high quality cameras that are perfect for content creators.
Not to mention there are a lot of beauty products that you can play with and create makeup looks while you are shooting your videos.
And guess what? Most importantly, there is free Wi-Fi! Holy grail!
Nice! Looks like Summer Beauty House has everything to offer for you guys to be beauty creators.
Exactly, so this place is actually for all the beauty creators to come here, you do your shoot and you definitely get to edit and stuff and you get to do everything for your YouTube channel. And don't forget, babes, this is where you get to meet everyone else as well, so you guys can meet all the different beauty creators as well. And as well as that, this is all provided for you for free.
I would love to come here because I can use all of these lights, cameras, studios, props and everything for free. Like what?
I know, right? For free. That's why I want to make a shout out and say thank you to all the awesome sponsors, Polytron and Cathie stuff. Thank you so much for making all this possible. Like,
thank you, sponsors.
Thank you. So here we are, another awesome area of Summer Beauty House, which is the Beauty Lab.
Yes, so this is the place where you guys can play around with different products, with different formulas and give feedbacks to Summer Beauty team so they can make it happen.
That is so cool. I'm actually so happy that I can be in a community where actually I can contribute my opinions.
Correct. Look at all.
Like literally, I just want to try them all.
Let's try them. And here are another amazing part of Summer Beauty House. So this is the part where you guys can try a lot of different products from hot new brands in Indonesia.
Exactly, and there's no pressure at all. You can try everything as much as you want and as many as you like.
Yes, we have Clinique, makeover, be real, and then we have trophy and Lorica lashes, and also she, hers, and hers.
Exactly, but not only do we have Indonesian local brands, but we also have international brands. Oh my god, we have it all and you can try it all out.
Yes, look at all these swatches.
Oh my god. Oh,
Huda Beauty.
Desert Dust Palette is my
And
favorite.
Pat McGrath. This is my love. And look at this vanity mirror. It's so big and huge. And look at those lightings. It's perfect.
There's one room in particular that is so cool that I want you guys to check it out. So let's go.
Ta-da! This is the space. Wow, check out those views. So nice.
I know, right? It's actually so beautiful. So this is actually called Diamond Room at Beauty House, and it's right next to Gush Cloud Indonesia's office. So this room is actually for everything and anything.
Yes, I would totally love to shoot my videos here because check out those glass and the sunlight hits my face perfect.
I know, it's such good lighting here.
Yes.
So that is why this is called the anything and everything room. We can do anything here. It's just amazing. And my god, the view is insane. So even if I'm not taking any classes or even trying out any products, I would definitely just come here and chill because this place is so nice.
Totally, this feels like home. Look at this bean bag.
Exactly, so I would definitely bring out my girlfriends here. We would hang out here, take brunch from Dej, and definitely we could definitely do like summer classes because apparently summer classes here are so good, like so good.
Yes, sounds like a perfect weekend.
I know, right? Like, just wink it out, just wink it out. And I'm about to fall off.
I know.
I have to stop.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Wow.
So did you guys know, apart from Dej Cafe and as well as Summer Beauty House, we also have Gush Cloud Indonesia office right upstairs.
Yes, so many things in one place, right?
Exactly, so let's go check it out, let's go.
So guys, this is Gush Cloud Indonesia's office, Asia's #1 influencer marketing company.
Exactly, this is such a cool office space.
Guys, there's another level for a Gush Cloud office, so let's check it out.
Revenue,
Reputation, relationship,
resourceful,
respectful, responsible, reliable. So guys, this office is designed to have like the work and play element at the same time. It is very important.
And to be honest, like all these inspirational motivating me like to be the #1 influencer creator network in the world. That's our mission. Okay, so thank you guys for watching and following our tour for Summer Beauty House. So let us take you down first.
Yes,
Take you down, let's go.
Alright guys, so that is it for Summer Beauty House tour.
It is amazing. I was able to discover so many things in just one house.
Yes, everything are here, like food, makeup products, classes, studio, and everything.
I know, right? So exactly. So I need you guys to come here and check Summer Beauty House out. So this is
Minyo
and Mikaila. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.